Welcome to my platform. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, I've got this question. This is question 1 from 2024 internal. So question 1a, we're going to simplify. So we've got this expression right here, which we need to simplify. And for question 1b, we need to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, so come with me right here. Let's work out these two questions. So for the first question here, they're saying simplify. We've got 15, okay? That's 15. A power 2 B over 7 C D power 2 divide by 5 A power 3 B power 2 over 21 C power 2 D power 3. All right, so the most important thing that we must look at, okay, when it comes to a question like this is the sign which is right here. This is division. Of course, we'll maintain the first term, which is a 15a power 2 b over 7c d power 2. And then the sign here will change to multiplication. Remember, when dividing the fractions, you always switch the sign. It goes to multiplication. It was division, it will now be multiplication. And then we write 21 c power 2 d power 3. So this fraction will reciprocate. What is down here will go on top, and what is on top will come down. So we shall say over 5a power 3 b power 2. So from this stage, of course, now we can start cancelling out things. Let's start with the numbers. 7 into 7, it's a 1. Into 21, it's a 3. And then 5 into 5, it's a 1. Into 15, it's a 3. We now go to the letters. So we'll start with this. A power 2 into itself, it's a 1. Into a power 3, it's a A. Then B into itself, it's a 1. Into B power 2, it's a B. We come to C. C in itself, it's a 1. Into C power 2, it's a C. For D, to give us 1 here, and here to give us a D. So if you're able to see nicely, we've got 3 times 1 times 1 times 3 times C times D. So this will give us, of course, a 9 C D as our numerator, okay? For the denominator, we've got 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times A times B. That's A, B. And this is how the answer must look like for question 1A. So now let's check out question 1B and see what we're supposed to do. All right, so for question 1B, we are going to solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So it is 2x power 2 minus x minus 2 is equal to a 0. The quadratic formula looks like this. This is the quadratic formula. Of course, you are given this formula. Okay, so when we check nicely our quadratic equation, what is our A, what is our B, and our C? These are some of the things that we need to know. Our A, of course, will be the coefficient at the x squared term. And then our B will be where we just have x here. Our C will be a constant, a number without a letter. So we can plug in our formula. What is our B? It's a -1. Plus or minus square root over -1. That's our B squared minus 4. A is a 2 and C is a 2 over 2. And then our A there is a 2, just like that, okay? Are you able to see? Our A is a 2, our B is -1, our C is -2. Let's not forget the negative here, -2, okay? So we can simplify. We've got 1 here, plus or minus square root of 1 plus a 16. Because -4 times 2, it's -8. Times -1, it's -16. Let's not forget to write a 4 down here. 2 times 2 will give us a 4. And then here we can say equal to, we've got a 1 plus or minus square root over 17 over a 4. Okay, let's clear some space. We create some space. So from this stage, of course, where we've got a 1, we shall say 1 plus square root of 17 over a 4, or negative, should I say 1? Actually, it's positive 1 minus square root over 17 over a 4. So here, when we work out, that's a 1 plus square root over 17. We are, of course, getting a 5 plus 0.123105626. We divide by 4. So when we divide by 4, our answer is coming out to be equal to 1.28. This is the answer, 1.28. Okay. The next solution, for the next solution, of course, we'll just say equal to, we shall punch 1 minus square root of 17. It's giving us a negative 3.123105626. Then we divide by 4. So divide by 4. This, of course, is giving us a negative 0.78 as our answer. So these are the two solutions. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've learned one or two things out of this. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section. Share the video. Let's have more people watch this. This has been Jacob. Thank you and bye-bye.